Hello, good evening. Today I would like to take up the numbers up to 9999. So, how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit numbers. We are going to learn about 4-digit numbers. This is for class 3. In second standard, you have learned up to 999, that is 3-digit numbers. Now we will take up numbers up to 9999, that is 4-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4-digit number. Now we will revise about numbers. Number facts means these are the real things. We use 10 digits, means 10 numbers starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We use 10 digits to form numbers. Okay. If we use 2 digits, means 2 numbers, we form a 2-digit numeral or number. If we use 2 numbers, we are going to form a 2-digit numeral. So we will take one example. Any number is okay. We will take up 33. 33 has 2 digits. 1, 2. So this is a 2-digit number. If we use 3 digits, we form a 3-digit numeral or numbers. So suppose we are taking 3 numbers. Example, we will take up 33 plus one more number. 3, 3, 4. So this will be 3-digit numeral. 1, 2 and 3. Now we will learn that 4 digits will form a 4-digit number. 4 digits. 4 digits means I told you 9999 is 4 digit. This is 3 digits. 334. 334. Now we have to write 4 digits here. 3, 3, 4 and 5. So how many digits you have here? 4 digits. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is the 4-digit number. All numbers from 1 onwards are natural or counting numbers. See, suppose you start counting numbers. You start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that it goes on. You don't start counting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You start counting from 1. When you start counting from 1 onwards, it is called a natural or counting numbers. Usually, numbers, when you start counting from 1, they are natural or counting numbers. That is how it is easier to count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 onwards. If 0 is included along with counting numbers, they form a set of whole numbers. See, if 0 is included along with counting numbers, which are the counting numbers? I'll give example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These are the counting numbers. If 0 is included along with counting numbers, so you include 0, then these are all called as whole numbers. Can you see the whole numbers here? counting numbers are from 1 onwards. When you count any number from 1 onwards, they are called counting numbers. If 0 is also included along with the counting numbers, they are called whole numbers. Now, let us begin with the main questions which come under the numbers, 4-digit numbers. We will try to solve each main. Write the number names of the following. Number names means, now these are the numbers. 1, 4, 6 are the numbers. So how do you say 146? Okay, so that should be written in spelling form. 146. So this is the spelling of 146. This is called the number name. Now, what is this? 390. 390. Nintey. This is the number name. What is the next one? 506. 500. HUNDRED. 506. This is the number name of 506. Then you have 800. EIGHT. 800. HUNDRED. This is the number name for 800. We'll move on to the next one. Write the place value and the face value of the underlined digits. Now let me tell you what is place value and what is face value. Now let me give one example here. You take 316. Write the place value and the face value of the underlined digits. Now let me underline 1 here. Okay. Now first let us find out place value. Place value means how you are going to count 316 ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, which is the underlined number? 1. So 1 is in which place? Tens place. So this is place value is 10. Okay. Face value. Face value means whatever number is underlined, the number itself is the face value. 1 is underlined. So the face value of this underlined number is 1. 1 is the number itself. Face value is the number itself. Place value of 1 is in tens place. So it is tens. Okay. Now we will solve the given numbers. Now you have 3 columns. Numbers. You are given numbers here. You have to find out the place value and the face value of the underlined number in each sum. Now first one is 259. Which is the underlined number? 9. So you write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So what is the place value? Place value is 9 ones. What is the face value? I told you face value is the underlined number itself. Which is the underlined number? 9. Then come to the next one. 378. Which is the underlined number here? 7. So first you have to find out the place value. Here ones, tens, hundreds. Again you have 7 in the tens place. So here you will write 7 tens. Then what is the face value here? Face value is the underlined number itself. So it is only 7. Okay. Then you have 752, which is the underlined number 7. So here ones, tens, hundreds. Ones place 2, tens place is 5, hundreds place is 7. So here 7 is in hundreds place. That is the place value. So this will be 7 hundreds. 700. What is the face value? Face value is the underlined number itself. So it is 7. Then you have one more, 808. What is the underlined number here? 0. So again 1, 10, 100. What is the place value of 0? 0 is in tens place. So 0 tens. What is the face value? Face value is the underlined number itself. Which is the underlined number? It is 0. We shall move on to the next main. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. See, these are just numbers, that's all. But you have to split the place value and write. You should know 6 is in which place, 5 is in which place, and 4 is in which place. So that is called expanded form. Now, ones, tens, hundreds. Now how do you write? 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. 4 into 100. Because 4 is in hundreds place. Plus 5 is in which place? Tens place. 5 into 10. Plus 6 is in which place? Ones place. 6 into 1. Okay. So this will be 4 into 100 is 400 plus 5 into 10 is 50 plus 6 into 1 is 6. This is how you will write in expanded form. Now we'll go on to the next number, 697. Write the place value, ones, tens, hundreds. Now 6 is in which place? 6 is in hundreds place. 6 into 100 plus 9 is in which place? Tens place. 9 into 10 plus 7 is in which place? Ones place. 7 into 1. Now multiply. 6 into 100 is 600 plus 9 into 10, 90, plus 7 into 1, 7. So 600 plus 90 plus 7 is 697. Here also 400 plus 50 plus 6 is 456. Now next number is 702. Here also write down the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. 7 into 100 plus 0 is in tens place. 0 into 10 plus 2 is in ones place. 2 into 1. Now 7 into 100 is 700 plus 0 into 10. Any number you multiply with 0, the answer is 0 itself. Any number you multiply with 0, the answer is 0 itself. So here 10 is multiplied with 0 or 0 is multiplied with 10. If 0 is multiplied with any number, the answer is 0. Plus 2 into 1, 2. Now you got the number 700. 700 plus 0 into 10 is 0 plus 2 ones are 2. Then the last one, 999. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here you have 9 in hundreds place. So again 9 into 100 plus 9 is in tens place. 9 into 10. Again 9 is in ones place plus 9 into 1. So 9 into 100 is 900 plus 9 into 10 is 90 plus 9 into 1 is 9. 999. The number is 999. So, whatever you have understood so far, try to work out by yourself. See the expanded form, how it is done. You see the place value and the face value of the underlined digits. Just go through. You have to just write the place value. Then you have to find out. Numbers, place value, face value. Underlined number will be the face value. In which place the underlined number is, that is called the place value. Hope you have understood this main. Try to work out the sums. You can write down any number and you can draw the columns and you can do it. Then again you have number names, writing the number names of the following. The given number is 146. How are you going to write in expanded form? How are you going to write it in number name? 146, 390, 506, 800. Just go through this also. We have started with the chapter numbers up to 9,999, that is 4-digit numbers. In second standard you came across 2 and 3-digit numbers. So in class 3 you will be learning about 4-digit numbers also. So the facts of the number is given here. we use 10 digits, means starting from 0 to 9, you count, you get 10 to form numbers. If we use 2 digits, we form a 2-digit numeral or 2-digit number. For example, 33. How many digits are here? 2 digits. If we use 3 digits, we form a 3-digit numeral or numbers. Example, we have taken 334. So there are 3 digits here. Now we will learn that 4 digits will form a 4-digit number. So again, here we have taken up 3 digits along with that one more number. 3, 3, 4, 5. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit numbers. All numbers from 1 onwards are natural or counting numbers. 1 onwards means when you start counting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. They are all called as counting numbers. Suppose 0 is added along with counting numbers. Counting numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So suppose 0 is added along with that. All these numbers together will be called as whole numbers. If 0 is added along with counting numbers, they are called as whole numbers. So kindly try to remember, natural or counting numbers start from 1 onwards. If 0 is included along with the counting numbers, they are called whole numbers. So 1 digit means 1 number, 2 digits means 2 numbers, 3 digits means 3 numbers, 4 digits means 4 numbers. This is what you have to remember. We have solved some of the mains. Let me come back to you tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching. Kindly share and comment on my maths class. Thank you. Thanks a lot.